Hi, my name is Lou Brazier. I am the hands-on principal of Real Estate HQ. And when I say hands-on, I really mean it. So let me ask you this. When was the last time the principal of your agency personally coded a remote for you at no cost? Well, I got plenty. Let me show you how different things are done when you work with someone who genuinely cares about your investment. And here is a quick backstory to this video. My property manager recently did a routine inspection and her report identified a few items that were outside her scope to assess. Now, I don't expect her to know everything. There were signs of movement in a couple of locations, and instead of guessing or passing it around, shuffling it on the desk, and shoving it under the carpet, she actually reported it back to me. So I personally attended the property and inspected it myself and provided my client with my professional and honest opinion. This is how I work. If something needs attention, I will go. If something needs checking, I will go. It is that simple. I take this approach because real property management cannot be done from behind a desk. It has to be done on site, in person, and with genuine care and accountability as well as expertise. Now, the reason why my clients trust me is because those that do know me know that I take the extra care to do this for them. And I know with this particular owner, she has spent so much money this year. So I made sure that I took two of these generics. So I've got these, but I actually had a generic one. And I went and coded it for her, no extra cost for her. Now, the tenants already had remotes, and I didn't think that they needed to have new ones, but it'll make them happier. So I've got these remotes, generic remotes. We have a stash of it. Okay, so these are my spares. I keep them on hand all the time, and this is so that I can actually save my clients money when we need to. For my owner, she has already spent so much money this year, and recently the tenants, obviously, they made a request for an extra remote. So I've got plenty of remotes in the office, and I took two with me to code them in. I know one is a Boss, and so I took a generic one as well. And by doing this, it didn't cost my owner anything, and the family that's living in the property is really, really happy because now they've got a spare. So if you are an investor in Brisbane, Logan, Ipswich, or the Moreton region, and you want a principal who actually knows how to do this, shows up, well, reach out to me. There's absolutely no obligation, because even if we do not end up working together, I have no problem with that. Making real human connections and helping investors is more important to me, and I am always happy to guide you through whatever challenges you are dealing with right now. Contact me directly on 0425 225678 and let me show you how property management should be done properly.